There was an ad being floated on national television and this was about a gripe water. बच्चा रो रहा है तो ये दे दो, and this became so evident in each and every houses. You could find a bottle of gripe water and every newborn would be given a spoonful of it on a daily basis. Do you know how damaging it is? Because it contains alcohol, sugar, sodium bicarbonate, and it can damage your child's immunity as well. Doctors do not recommend it anymore because they know how harmful it is, and your child is getting adapted from being in womb, having a different food, and now coming out and taking breast milk or formula milk. The adjustment will take a little while, yes, but your child is getting adjusted. Give the child an opportunity in a natural way. And what are the natural ways that we can help out our children or the young newborn babies to adjust? I have made detailed videos about all these which can be found on Tots and Moms in both English and Hindi. So you can watch about tummy time. Giving baby that tummy time is so helpful, you know. Digestion massage can be given, Hinge paste can be applied. You can also make cycling exercises. You can follow baby wearing, and one of the simplest is burping your child after each feed. These are just the natural things that your child needs. Do not kill their immunity by doing unwanted things. And yes, Mission Healthy Next Gen is our motto. Do follow us for few more simple contents. Bye.